Good afternoon. Williams, Philippines. It's Tuesday, April 22nd, 2025, and it is about 5 minutes to 1. Yay, laundry day. Such fun. Uh, Only good thing about laundry day is the smoothie place is next door to it. I gotta stop going to that laundry. That laundromat is dangerous. Those things are good. It is what it is. Anyway, got to figure out what the weather's going to be and what alls I can juggle around by tomorrow. Been trying to juggle so I can try to go to the beginners class for the motorcycles on Thursday, Friday mornings, 8 o'clock. Not sure I'm going to be able to. I got to find out. I'm trying to see if I can get something moved back into the afternoon. Uh, yeah, that'll put it awful late. Maybe I'll see if I can get it done tomorrow. I don't know. But I need to let her know by noon tomorrow, one way or another, to try and go take that class. Otherwise, it's going to be further down through April, May. I need it done, really need it done before the end of May for sure. Government don't work that fast. Just saying. Uh, I don't know. Again, at that point of trying to figure out what to do on that one. Uh, yeah, I'm trying to get it figured out and decide what to do uh, on that, and trying to figure out my phones. I just renewed on this one for the iPhone for my one number, and I got me a SIM card from Ultra. So, yay. Try to get this off of Mint Mobile. I don't like their service. So far, I'm liking Ultra. So, get both of them onto Ultra, and I don't know. Trying to decide if I want to try to take that one off, put it back on later. I don't know. But I'm also trying to figure out, this is supposed to be dual SIM. And I got them to send me a SIM card tray. The problem is, the top part there is supposed to be open. It isn't. So now I got to take and argue with email somebody else somewhere else. So much fun. Eh, life happens. All I know is I'm tired. So this is going to be a short one. Uh, I'm going to try to figure out the SIM cards. Uh, See if I can get it set up with two phone lines on that one. I don't know. Part of me says put it back on my other old phone and just keep that one as my, because it's the one that's, you know, tied to the bank. My bank knows that number. And if I keep that number. I can have it easy for the bank. So yeah, and Ultra has an international, so I can get uh, text messages. I'm sorry, I'm really tired right now. I'm yeah, I need to go to sleep, and I still got to make the bed because yeah, fun stuff. And also, I need to shave my head. This stuff's getting long. Yeah, I start feeling like a long-haired hippie freak if it gets over an inch. I don't usually let it get that long. Yeah, I like it shorter. I'm okay with I can I'm okay with this being about the same length. I just don't like it getting that long either. I don't know. Sometimes I go through phases where I shave everything and I keep it shaved for a month, 3 months, and then sometimes it I won't shave for but once a month for a year, or once every other month for a year. Ah, wild hairs, bunches of them. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I want to go sleep. Anyway, uh, try to get that figured out. I was actually over trying to set up the what do you call it, airline app, and that thing was fighting me. Finally went to the point of I completely uninstalled it and reinstalled it. It's working. I don't know what the problem was, but yeah, uninstall, reinstall. It worked. So it's fixed that one. Now I gotta, yeah, get in there and try to get a payment method in. Because, hey, if you're gonna buy a plane ticket, they want money. Strange how that is, huh? They don't just throw airplanes at you and say, fly, free. Cost money. So, yeah, it is what it is. Banana strawberry. I actually like it. Don't usually eat much strawberry. Every once in a while, one or two, three. That's it. Don't usually like strawberry ice cream either. But that one's actually good. They've surprised me with a few. I think I'm going to try that milk tea next time. That's a good thing. Anyway, uh, again, this is going to be short. So I'm William, Williams, Philippines. I am making progress. It just seems to be mostly spinning wheels, though. It is what it is. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and again, more food. Lot more food. Anyway, I'm fishing. Yeah, again, fish is out.